Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the GK subjects. So let's start with the first topic, that is cactus plants. So we will learn more about the cactus plants. Cactus plants, they are very different from other plants. Cactus plants, they are very different from other plants. So let's see more features about the cactus plants. Cactus plants, they grow in a very dry environment. It is said that cactus plants, they grow in a very dry environment. These plants grow in a desert regions. As they require dry environment, they grow in a desert regions. So they require only less amount of water to grow. The stem of these plants are prickly spines. You can see in the picture that the stems, they have a spines, that is a needle shaped spines. So these spines helps them to protect from other animals. They have a needle shaped spines. The stem of this cactus plant, it is very thick and spongy. So you can see in the picture the stem, it is very thick and it looks spongy. So it helps to store water inside the stem. That's why whenever the plants require water, it is already stored in the stem. It holds a large amount of water inside the stem. So cactus plants, it holds a large amount of water inside the stem. It has a waxy covering. So this plant stem, it has a waxy covering. So because of this waxy covering, it helps to prevent water loss. It helps to prevent water loss. Because of this waxy covering, it helps the plant to prevent water loss. Cactus plants grows in different shapes, sizes and colors. Even it has different shapes, sizes and colors. It grows with different shapes, sizes and colors. So we have seen that cactus plants, it grows in a very dry environment. The leaves of these plants are prickly spines. The stem is very thick and spongy. It stores water inside the stem. It has a waxy covering which helps it to prevent water loss. Cactus plants, it grows in a different shapes, sizes and colors. Also nowadays cactus plants, they are seen in the houses. So nowadays cactus plants, they are grown in the flower pots. You can see there are beautiful varieties, many different varieties of cactus plants. They are grown in the houses. It is also said that some type of cactus plants, they are also grown for food. So there are also some cactus plants, they are grown for food, they are edible. Now let's start with the exercise part. You can see, fill in the blanks. Answers are given in the box, so you have to choose the correct answer. So we'll go through the first one. First one, the cactus has a thick fleshy stem that stores water. We have already learned that cactus plant, its stem is very fleshy, so it stores water. So first answer is water. Second one is the cactus plant is usually found in the desert region. So it grows in a dry environment. So it is usually found in a desert region. The third one, the cactus often has a waxy covering. So it has a covering, it is called as a waxy covering. Fourth one, the cactus also has flowers. So there are some cactus which has flowers. Fifth one, the spines on the cactus are actually its leaves. So it said that the spines that grows in the cactus plants, it is also called as cactus are actually its leaves. So it said that the spines that grows in the cactus plants, it is also called as leaves. I think so children, you have understood cactus plants. You have seen varieties of cactus plants and you have learned the features of cactus plants. Go through it. Okay children, see you soon.